Hi, good afternoon. I would like to welcome the another session in the introduction to robotics. Myself, Sambasumar, assistant professor, SNS College of Technology in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how the cell layout has been done and what are the important factors for the cell layouts and what are the design consideration has been taken for designing the layouts has been discussed. So these layouts plays an impact pattern in the robot cycle time analysis. What is mean by the robot cycle time analysis is the important thing. So as I said, like what is mean by robot cycle time is the robot to perform a certain task right now. So before that, time is money, right? As per Benjamin, each time makes an value in the industries. Each and every second is an money, and how the money has been generated in with a quick process is it's a robot cycle time analysis. So truly the time this is true when applied to the industrial manufacturing. A longer system takes a longer time, which results in getting the back money in a longer losses, longer time, which results in larger loss. So what so maintenance and manufacturing cost and other also lose the money. It is one of the ugliest fact in an industrial manufacturing sectors. So how to overcome the the faster tool and faster job, which and more production rate, which results in the more profit. So for that, during the specific particular task to in the repeated mode at a specific time to operate faster or produce product should be perfect and complete in all sense. So that the cycle time is any method that collects and analyzes data for a process to improve the total process of a system is called as a cycle time analysis, where it is replicated to a robot, the robot to perform a certain task and a certain period of time within accuracy and precision with a large number of products is said to be in robot cycle time analysis. So as I said, the period required to complete one cycle of operation or to complete a function or a job or a task from a start to finish process. The cycle time is used in differentiating the total duration of the process of from its overall runtime. So how to identify the cycle time analysis is right one of the key factors. Identify the process and detail the scope to be studied and how it has to be mapped. That is a process flow chart. As I discussed in the previous mobile slide, the process flow chart is the important factor. How it has been done has to be obtained. The next step is the time measurements for each varying point, how it has been occurred and how it has been done and how it has been sequentially ordered. That has to be verified in the step 3. Then comes under the step 4, whether the intermediate process or transferring the process transferring the workpiece from one place to another place, it takes time or it takes the wasted time has been calculated to identify the accurate process. So it has been obtained by measuring the each work process time from one point to another point, and the difference between those 2 points and the carrying time also to be taken into considerations for the analysis process. Then yeah, all the data has been identified. Once all the data has been where it has been lags and where it takes a larger time, that has to be analysis through the data we have achieved. And finally is once the data is achieved, we can able to track where we need to improve our data. That can be used by using the what are the changes can be done to improve the quality or production rate, that can be done by using these 6 steps. This is how the robot cycle time has been analyzed in a sequence order. So what is the main purpose of identifying this robot cycle analysis? It is nothing but how it has been effectively used. So it is one of the process where we can easily use, and also it can be identifies the time required to complete a specific tasks in a several manufacturing processes. Like one product has been into several products. So that has been easily identified, and what are the time required for each product has been identified through this process. And also we can able to identify the easily identify the improvements and the efficiency has been achieved through this cycle time analysis. This is about the different how the cycle time plays a major vital role and how it impacts the time calculation in the industrial engineering. So the product manufacturing has been the key way or the key factors where we have to identify the robot cycle and time analysis, which results in the increase in the productivity rates, and also how the profits makes an impact in an engineering environment. So we have identified how we have clearly understood the robotic cycle dynamics and how it plays a major role in the industrial sectors, especially in the manufacturing industries. So that's it about this robot cycle dynamics. Thank you for watching video. Let's see in another session. After that, bye bye.